Hello dear friends, warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today let's make a simple snack for Navratras, which is Aloo Sabudana Tikkis. Cutlets made with tapioca pearls and potato. I'm going to add some cashew nuts and raisins which will really enhance the flavor of these cutlets. You can pan fry them, or if you have air fryer you can also air fry them. Whichever way you like, you can just make these cutlets and enjoy them. And I'm going to serve these with farali peanut chutney. This chutney I had already posted the video some time back, I think during last Navratras. So I'll share the link with you. You can check it out also. So make and enjoy these farali cutlets with peanut chutney. Here I have soaked about 3/4 cup of sago or sabudana for 5 to 6 hours. You can even soak more, but when you press it, it should be soft and mushy. Boiled potatoes 3. Oil about 3 tablespoons. Some roasted cashew nuts broken into small pieces. About 1 tablespoon you can use. Raisins 1 tablespoon. Then we have Amchoor powder 1/4 teaspoon. If you don't have this, you can also use anardana. Crush them and use. Cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon. Sendha, namak or rock salt as needed. A small bunch of coriander leaves, handful of them, and about 4 green chillies. Cut them very finely. If you are not consuming green chillies during fast, you can use crushed black peppers. You can refer to the list also in the description box. Now let's proceed. First you peel the potatoes and mash them using a masher. Mashing is done. Now let's add the ingredients. About 3 serving spoons of soaked sabudana. For 3 potatoes, 3 should be enough. Here goes the coriander leaves, green chilies, salt, amchoor powder, cumin powder, raisins, and the cashew nuts. You may also add roasted peanuts, but since I am serving these with peanut chutney, I used cashew nuts instead. Mix everything very well. You actually don't need anything to bind any flour because we are going to pan fry them. But if you are deep frying them, you may add a tablespoon of buckwheat flour or water chestnut flour. It's just perfect now for making the cutlets. Take a small portion and make cutlets of desired shape and size, whatever size you prefer. From this quantity we can make about 12 cutlets. This way you shape all the cutlets, making them smooth and even. On to the final one. Little bit is left. We'll make a tiny little cutlet. So you can make this and refrigerate them. Whenever you are ready to serve, you can fry them at that time. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Preferably use a non-stick pan. Line up all the cutlets or tikkis. Initially make it hot, but later reduce to medium. The flame should be medium because the sabudana is not cooked. So we have to cook them on medium to low flame, flipping them frequently until the sabudana becomes translucent and the cutlets also become nice and crispy. The outer layer becomes nice and crispy always, but inside, because of the sabudana, the texture remains soft. This way, on medium heat, fry them. You can also instead air fry them, which is a healthier option. There's not much oil, but of course the pan fried ones taste much better, because little bit of oil gives them a crunchy texture. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications. Now the tikkis are almost done. How lovely they look. So tempting. Remove them on a kitchen tissue so that the excess oil is absorbed. They taste best when you serve them immediately. On keeping, they of course become little soggy because of sabudana, but the flavors are really amazing. Serve them with farali peanut chutney. I have already posted this recipe. Link of the video will be shared in the description box and I button. It tastes really amazing. With just few ingredients, it has lovely flavors. Yummy cutlets. So friends, do give them a try during these Navratras. Always, we love to experiment new dishes. Let's check out the taste. You can see how crunchy the outer texture is. And the raisins and cashew nuts give these cutlets an amazing rich flavor. Lovely. Very delicious. Look at them. The sabudana is very well cooked, soft and nice, and outer layer is so crispy. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.